And to me, more updates about Sam George. I check Accra. Now we have finally Sam George has a news anymore. Together with Cocoa Bots here around the Abbey. Now, Uko Media and so NDC communicators, I say party food soldiers. Together with Bonohene. Any many others, so much let's say. Cocoa Bots you around the Abbey. One Sam George there, Sabi, Omi useless. My appointment, you know. And nothing but uselessness. You whom first will be a waswa. It was a gun across the boom hoka, 80 Mahama and Saki woman. By one chirimono actually wagwe amame. Ewo comment session. Hi Penyah Block Media. Mess was any demo. Over like video, no damn of subscribe button, some back in the notification latest update. Now back to the wagwe and amame. Ewo comment session so baswa. Not your first Penyah Biashe. Abrana NDC 40 na as Rousu, a Minister for Communication. Minister for Information, Communication, Innovations and what? Digitalization. Now Sam George agent and the council de bia. Now zone band do hold mobile Sam George kwan ye. That time not data bo air force ne enne. But now Sam George ye dede ana esru so abon ana waye say ana there's a tax be on who we call the amount of percentage be a con account mu or na agye e was a twam e was yes a whole lot of issue. Sam George kasa ya ma Ghana for who is Sam George unipa bi adwene da ditirimu ye de oman ne hye ne nsa obetima chechire oman ne ye because Sam George in the position had all the knowledge, all the capacity to push this country forward. Now we say Mbeni Muhammad Angasa and kind as open so who nipa nkasa the true character man power, give him power obe who the true character. Say ya ma Sam George appointment and kenim say na oye empty lion jata hunu oye empty lion obubomu kwa ensin ni nanum. Sam George obubomu kwa ensin ni nanum because now from 1st July almost 400 series data bundle package in eba I am telling you me na me maker Airtel Tigo ewo mi krom hanum network nte call ye emabi 1st July. After 1st July, that day na me to bundle be 400 series alloke or chip so network nte call krom hanum emabi Vodafone that is Telecel. I hear something which is there. A better 3G. Enye nasem ntimi switch nko H+ and now 4G beam. MTN about something which is there. Obi phone is ekura no. That's not gonna message. Obi dina me nchen. Now me hide a friend number. Now ba send the phone here switch off. That's we on file phone to flat mode. On phone to mo code bia. Me dina ha no nya call. As me for send the phone switch off. MTN network e wo Ghana hanum. Now brother call the internet call the airtime. Shame because as you said we don't have Minister for Information and Communication handling these affairs as if say you know be our person at the damn pine. And a telecommunication network they are exploiting us. We the customers, they are exploiting us. Uto data show NASA 4 million bando no. Enye easy. Uto at first no. Now bando no enya bebrebe kwa na uto na chesing in there. 4 million data we me to in twantra na otwe mienu nkom yensa na asa ensem na bebrebe na fe kokoko boss around the Abbey on the kokoko afoko anya na obemia na meni ekono na eno na ko media say busia Ghana for nature say there be around the Abbey Sam George any nipakuo bi no mahama mfa ne nansi form na on saki o myesa they are just useless obema na obebre obema na bre.
Honorable George Opari Ado, Minister for Youth, Development and Empowerment. Akukwame, bisawusa emabuna wo krom ha afeni atria sabe yade position man no mabunu do sign watimi employ mo. Omo ya employ mo kra no NDC aban apam mo so mo kwotena fie.
Wey boy.
Asese o minister.
Wey boy.
Ni atukroma. Atoda bi assessment no anya mampanyine ne nko a onya John Drama ne mama nko a o ministers no omo nya dwuma
ne ka na da ho do
ni say John Mama o goodwill na ministers na wa pa wo mo no omo ye dwuma
ana papa dia na o ka no kuri sei
amanfo nya dwuma ye
o kan wie no
mabunu no bread mabunu no bi yet yes ya wo pabro bi wo ho a youth empowerment akrama your local government minister Ahmed Ibrahim Banda Mrasebedwani no
wey boy
Stability levels. Yen so say. Maybe to find it can over to join me Facebook. As I suppose 107.3. Now the dinner to Asia Mam. Sarah Yadma.
Oh, the whole bed, the whole brutal. Oh, the whole bed, the whole brutal.
Akaba yen so say yenya MMTC sibia and NDC in painful bia. Omo ya illegal mining galamsey. Omo na ye.
The can that hodo.
Oh, we crowd here. Omo fi bako. I am for border uro kong ya Samoa. Yampi NDC MP. Ye trying na suo. Yene Kromana Abanga third vice chair Emma NDC. Wani Joseph Yamin. Yene Kroma Yoko say. Ye investigate you because of your illegal man. Nekosi say.
Hey, you're a Mahama.
MMDC no. Almost a local government say. Ahmed Ibrahim say. Bisa Ahmed Ibrahim. Bandam Rasabjani said Juma Papa Bain and I want Yama Ghana. Afinie one for Juma why ye and Metre Ghana for.
Okay, we know one just here.
My money platform on challenge me. No me trust say affiliate local government minister. My A, my B, my C on me challenge me see hour. Near to say no more we ho.
Etumpai.
Ministry ni biwa wodwene ho a wota say hey na ministry o kra ye den. Sam George communication ministry.
Hey,
ya said innovation aka ho.
hey.
Innovative ideas be na Sam George diaba.
Wait.
1 year
Boy.
Bisa ho trasedi no kom na bisa ho say Sam Jata George communication ministry no awo ho ye dan adwuma ben wa ya finie adwuma wa ye no won fa mra metere Ghana fo
ye kan we aso be reset o man
ye kan innovation akwaba antia in edikan no ade a ani ho na wo ko from in wo ko ye pie
omo de omo bon na ye kasa omo nti
anya sa na mo ka no
Even is foolishness, it is foolish.
antia kan innovative ideas a obi amfa idea na ma dada idea ni ho aya woni asetena se na dwene kwakyere dwene nyansa dwene
The can that hodo.
na innovate bibi
The can that hodo.
Mr. Sam George what you communication ministry
Hey,
oto aye den 1 year ni mummi san say dwuma ben why on famra betu table so data boy aye den
omo de omo bon na ye kasa omo nti no
communication service tax ade asam no wanka was it say NDC aban ba ne ntwamu a obe attack mampan John Dramani Mahama wo soro Jubilee House
and no na medwen ho a menti asem.
ni ati amamu we ho ye nhwan hihya nooma ye nim so obi aka bibi bia na before nkwache no si ya before nkwache no yamfa yenko detail no 2 days ya na waste of time
But me insro.
Nkra mason ati ene say enye mani na ehu mason ati say eye FBI for akọ abu trikaso ewo baby a oda no akọ threaten no nimum o man for monsa anka no tienie threaten na eba nyina no eye because of say ebeka chem say o se obesi wo mo no siw ni de ebesiw mo siw no yebesiw mo mo twi from ekoye den kora abu ebesiw mo na ora Sam George for so femi and I come here me pese me catch you say abu treka ne eguso egunkradwa be me na me bisa Sam George se wonnim na se bibi ye abu a me se me bisa se obi kobo abu ewo se ho no mo a even bibi ye no wonim se de sika ye ne sa na botie obet second day Japan Sam George if you know what is good for you but more than yenyi abu in feel say hono because threats na eba no first the papers be by say on sign without most money ready and I am an unsign then ma kono so ko threaten say because you say oh so be simu so no dey be simu but muntu be nye foko and muntu be nye ne crash so friend nsem I dare you people so people on kono fa nsa koka abu Sam George so what the FBI for near you say the secret and sana about here wo de make na say bibi ye abu e wo say ho no mo automatically when him say you wa when him say ade tina hoy
so yi yesu ma
It won't be in fact minister no and to president no ho. Won't in fact Judas and to years. And ye says asa agro. Oh, how about second and a half film? And I'm what? Oh, has I one set film? Oh, has I one second and a half film? What was I there for a half film? But oh, me, Jinapo, me Minister of Energy. But oh, me be said. Yea, be fine. Who is telling somebody who what?
Fine.
Minister for Energy, we need to be you. We're doing answer can energy so John, Japo, we want to know. Come out, tell us what you're doing. I'm not hearing anything. Me, I'm MP, the deputy minister. Me, I'm school son. No, yeah, MP. No, South Sudan deputy minister. What are we seeing? What are we hearing? The Ministry for Youth Development and Empowerment. Minister for Youth Development and Empowerment. Who regularize your kada? Because answer no beba na kofa to moto dada. Sabe ma to me car. No ma me license ah. Wo ma me adwuma.
No problem agree. Fine.
Yey. Me ti fia say na ma to me car ma me yire fia tago. Na tago twika. Na ma kwa DVL akwaje license. Na DVL boss to was you ma to car ma.
We say we. Fine.
Minister for Youth Development. Minister for Youth Development. Say youth no one you develop no. Yeah, develop. Almost all the ministers are riding on the popularity of John Dramani Mahama. They are riding on the achievements of John Dramani Mahama. They are virtually doing nothing.
Fine.
Yes, say we are empowering the youth. Then we are empower. And I would take a question you Attorney General. And I would take a assume. I know I feel to take me, baby, you call and you feel about and I feel I'm conforming my train on money. I would take a casa. I feel money I casa. When time for America, can afford to to America. And all negotiate here, maybe I may catch your plane. Daniel Kefla by 16th April said then one shack can afford to be $1 million in America buying a green card on your Ghana citizen bill. I am on Fadamra. Donald Trump a businessman. Also, we know $1 million bar. Who be our pay American citizenship to pay $1 million bra. We categorize it at the end 100,000, 200,000, 300,000. I could see 1 million. What the bar? We be citizenship. And KTT. Won't we make America free? We American new home fast one.
Fine.
And so pay. It's $100,000 now. They call citizenship. $200,000. Don't forget, see, about social security. We are now going to do hospital. See a show. Yeah, TV show. Donald is a businessman.
Because
businessmen don't ask customers where they got their money from. They are just selling. What way you want to say? Obi be advert. Near business so kunya ska hin odi betu advert ka. Yeah, hwe say o company wa register general see.
Fine. Make it seem na hero.
Pastor. Youth development.
Only na some na bia na ka ko
unemployment. Your labor. jobs and employment. They will youth development and employment.
The king of morning.
Say, I go for them. Who is a campaign man? This is
He is the best. Captain Smart is the king.
Honorable Emmanuel Kojo Ejeku. Oi. Bevia. Emmanuel Kojo Ejeku, or a Minister of State for Special Initiatives. Oi. Oi. Ah, say I to you. Mahamana. And I'll catch a big push. And Kuko can get the baby if you go in a call. But still, a president, and I'll say, Kuko can get it. We are Kuko can get it if you are. And near my NDC, Mahama Kenyan, Minister for Special Initiative, initiative here. Only a personal, Mahama Tado, Deputy Minister of Local Government and Rural Development. When not deputize Chief of Staff, Julius Debra. What's that ministry? Watch a fine. Mahama time was say, oh yeah, two deputy, sorry, two people in a local government minister. I think that one a crowd no. On a quiet and a Julius, and then Julius they call share as chief of staff. I think it was Professor Milson's time. Say I'm no say special initiative with the BA.
Ya require more for Mona Prince or Matu and Mokai Kilanga.
Maybe say this minister. Special initiative.
Monya. I will find out life.
Your Minister of State in charge of climate change and sustainability. Minister of State in charge of climate change and sustainability. The men are this one quite radio super casade. We always just a Ghana Meteorological Service. Quite video or 1839. The prime chromatine and one that is you. Ghana penny to catch us say Ghana Meteorological Service for me to catch us say in so be touch na. Na wiaba body ni ya de be ho so wiaba nso anto time a wani nda do nso de beto okuada ento wiaba ba okuada ebbo wani be ba ho so na memere da awotu ba bia wo dwe wo ho wo party
na ako kiko
ya friend Salifu Sedu no you see Fusedu
nyana ke
o ni mu
papa
ni Yusufu Sedu tell us your achievement. We want to know.
No, I have to pay the board fee. I can't euro. I pay the board fee. Make up. Okay.
Achievement no.
If I have for a caterpillar,
John, Marisha for the I was this is in the baby Rebecca. No, the same look as a Ghana MMDC no more cry.
Board fee.
Monco meeting number. Western region, I need to cry. I
can't pay Kumunga. I
who are beg. Ashanti region 9. Omu who are beg. Greater class 7. Omu who are beg. Now the area cry central. Ome pam omu to say so no. Ba omu so who are beg. Yeah, papa ni. Oh. Yusufu say Sedu.
Nelopa.
Look, Mafia. Yenfa grow nyina nto nchen. This gender minister me your friend say Agnes Namumu me cases 5 and about many move here are not related to anonymous ministry.
Captain Smart.
First one bayana you show the videos then the pictures are China ni be en kraman e mo keka no
I don't take shot.
Yes, story ni wie no. Na ne lawyer ono an kasa ni pie na oti na o hwe TV. E na obo na mane e na wo mo frɛ me. Sa me mra minister na so me ntan ko minister's office o. Nim sa de ne ye. Member office. In person. So far, ministers are Mahama Bobi na one come office. Hey, a Greek minister. Any Amamwa. No, so Captain, that's all. Any day, me the issue no call and ko chire mu chire no. And I say, Mama, just 1 month. I'm so mad. 1 month no one no. I say, Captain, you they just give me 1 month. Let me work on it. Oh, yeah, 1 year in the lady was looking for a miserable 30,000 Ghana cedis. Ghana maybe unya times 3. Mamina clear matter no. Add compensation. I'm a buyer no. Apart from compensation, no. The assessor can be a cop. No, I again buy say on Bedamas. I know brave 1,000 cedis. Yes, kind of stress. I'm saying, oh, we don't have money. Maybe because Captain one this guy we are the me back to from. But I'm just na kwa me nsem. Uma pakwesi. Uma nsem. Pakwesi. Aso ma 300 ba. O se da ben. And I'm the man akwa me. Yeah, the chain you would have connected to one. Mun check it. Now, I'm saying, one of the Pakwesi so one. Question on the Koyan and I'm to Masumo. Or said, I mean, yeah, the chain you would have was sorting it out to me. Me and Miss Lady Bia, then the boyfriend, the Penyah Kunu. Oh, girl, no play the new nice so yeah, you're not too and one. Lady the friend, and I'm saying, yes, story no, because maybe yeah. We must be a follow up. Now, the command minister, gender minister. No, so Captain. Do you know how I'm saying? God, me wounded or sending me message. Me responding here no. Me who sending message hi. And I'm saying yes, dear. Send me. And I'm sending me videos. So now my friend no. And I'm man story now quickly. And I'm a friend minister. And I say, Captain, can you come to my office again? I'm sure, man. My tight, because please. The pictures and the videos you have shown to me, I am even scared. But why am I come on the story? Said the lady in the catcher, no, so do you have her contact? I'm saying yes. Okay, now right before me, and a lady no. A lady now catcher said, get ready. We are coming to move you from wherever you are. And the lady go to one of the safe houses in this city. No, the lady go to home. I share my police for DHA, and you be here to Yamani. The assessor lady is now by understanding that for me. Baby, a minister, Aquaman is on training more home. Then go for away to my bonnet. Also, I understand the way end. They are not so pure. But the long story short, and he said, Minister need to be protected. No, yes, no, Emma who torn says it was starting here. The third issue, I am bad man. May are threatening so Bekuno. Or the second hour. Eti na mo de me ni kura no me mama ni stories makuma ko 5 why can go no why you me na biama when dey tire why the fight what would lady na ni kunu bu na bonten ro ne ho I don't know ko busa how this woman asolve some matter no what the case onu adi e kwache boy no and relocating my ministry baby or take baby fofo. When you say kwala no move no okwaji kwala no. This woman. It is a camp performing ministers are. And you are yet directly relating to their job. Now momo, I think meaning can regional ministers. I said regional ministers there. Now first me question regional minister bia ko. As for regional ministers, leave them alone. I don't talk about regional ministers. So far, she's the best female minister our administration win. So far. Because me and my man and someone knew The last time, na me call the office kura koda na say any past stories na me man ni na mo nyina afre me so wa solve problem na we nti me kwa koda na se kura me twa me frɛ ba ko me nu ya so wa ye busy.
To the wide mama, comment section. I hope you Block Media. Accra.